Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to be updating you guys on how the 5th gen 4runner front caliper upgrade has been on my 4th gen 4runner. So it's been a while since I've done this, maybe at least 4 months. I think it's been like closer to like 6 months. I think I did it back in October or something like that. But anyway, it's been a while and so far it's holding up great. Zero issues whatsoever. I haven't had any kind of warping with the front rotors at all. The calipers have not seized up. They're holding up great. The coating that's on the caliper is just fine. It still looks brand new. As far as like any improved stopping power, yeah, I've noticed that it does stop a lot faster. It's actually really nice. It's a good upgrade. I have not done the rear calipers at all. I still have the stock 4th gens on there. I know a couple guys asked me if I plan on doing the rears at all. And no, not yet. I already replaced those with some remanufactured 4th gen rear calipers. So until those like wear out and when the warranty is all done on those, I'll just do the upgrade then. But yeah, from what I was reading, I think the piston size is just a little bit bigger on those anyway, or they're very similar to being about the same. So I don't have any intentions right now to upgrade those. But anyway, I have not noticed any issues with it. If you've seen that video, you know that I applied some of the anti-squeal grease on it, the CRC one, the pink one. And so far, I don't have like any random squeals. The only time it does squeal is when it was like cold out in the morning and I haven't driven it for at least 2 days or something like that, or after it's rained and then I drive it the next morning. You will hear an initial like tiny squeal when you go to step on your brakes, but after that there's no squeals at all. That stuff actually is really nice. Along with that pad upgrade that I did, it was just the stock Toyota pads, and those have been great. I have zero issues with those. I'll link those in the description below if you guys are interested in getting them, or you can click on the video to go watch the full upgrade that I did on the calipers along with the brakes and those shims. The shims actually make a huge difference. So get that shim kit too. It's great. No random squeals whatsoever. But yeah, I don't have any issues so far. I'm gonna wait to see like maybe a full year down the line. Maybe the calipers might rust out or something like that, or seize up, I mean. But so far, I like it. And if you guys do need to swap out your front calipers, you might as well just do the upgrade anyway. Everything bolts on just the same. Like I said in the video, as long as you stay to 2009 to 2015, you're fine. Because anything after 2015, they changed the size of the bolt on the mounting bracket for the caliper itself. It's a lot bigger than the one that's on there right now. So yeah, as long as you stay within those years, you'll be fine. And rotors, I told you guys before, I use the Bosch rotors. Those have been fine, no warping. Nothing. You can go with the Advix. That's actually the OEM supplier for Toyota. But yeah, I figured it's been a while. I haven't done a proper update on it. I want to actually make sure that they held up and not just do a month in kind of review. But anyways, guys, so far I totally recommend doing this upgrade. It was nice, smooth, and easy to do, and it's totally worth it. And speaking of nice, smooth, and soft, why don't you guys check out my new Big Crown Splatter shirt. I just dropped this. This is really nice. It comes in a bunch of different colors. As you can tell, I'm rocking the purple and it is great. It's nice and soft. I use Gildan soft style t-shirts with it. And if you don't like this design, you can get my OG SKG shirt as well with my Circle Sloth logo on it. If you want to pick one up, support the channel. You can check it out in the link in the description below. And yeah, and also don't forget about picking up one of these hats if you're interested too. Hopefully this update gives you guys peace of mind to go ahead and do the upgrade. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next ride.